Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Homemade pies are a delicious dessert that can be prepared ahead of time, frozen and then baked when you want a very special dessert. It is much better to freeze pumpkin and fruit pies before baking rather than after. The texture of pies suffers substantially if frozen after baking.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Pie dough is a great keeper in the freezer. As long as it's tightly wrapped in heavy-duty aluminum foil or freezer-weight plastic wrap and sealed in a freezer bag, it should keep for up to 6 months. Pie dough freezes so well, in fact, you'd be wise to make some extra to keep around for whenever inspiration strikes.
Take our lead.
Freeze a baked fruit pie for later. For best results, first bake the pie and then place it uncovered in the freezer. When completely frozen, wrap the pie tightly or place in a plastic freezer bag and place back in the freezer. Frozen, baked fruit pies will keep up to 4 months.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
To freeze an unbaked pie, wrap pie tightly or place in a plastic freezer bag, as you would a baked pie. Don't cut slits in the top crust. Unbaked fruit pies will keep in the freezer up to 3 months. When you're ready to bake, unwrap and carefully cut slits in the still frozen top crust.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Answer: yes, you can freeze pie crust or pie dough in advance with very good results. To freeze, wrap the unbaked pie crust tightly with heavy-duty aluminum foil or plastic freezer wrap, or place in a freezer bag and seal tightly. There's no need to thaw the unbaked crust. You can bake it straight out of the freezer.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.